Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own trending viral Barbie selfie. So first thing you have to do is to open your Google Chrome. Now here you have to search for barbieselfie.ai, or you can just click in the link in description and it will redirect you to this page. So after opening that page, you have to click on that start option. Here you have got two options, one for take selfie, or you can upload a photo from here. So I'm going to upload photo. So let's upload a photo for our selfie. Now click choose option. Here click on continue. So as you can see, our selfie is now generated. We can also change its background color by clicking on that option. You can see here are many colors we can choose. Now you can also change its position by clicking on that option. So after choosing all the things, you have to click on that continue option. Now here you have to click on that download option. Now you have to save file to your gallery. Now again click on that save option. So you can see we have successfully saved our trending viral Barbie selfie in our cell phone. So that's all. If you guys find that video helpful, do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any confusion or any question, you can drop a comment and I will try to help you in my next video.